Once upon a time, in a sunlit forest, there lived a curious sparrow named Sammy. Sammy was a bright-eyed little bird who loved to explore every nook and cranny of the forest. One day, as she was hopping through the grass near a bubbling brook, she stumbled upon a peculiar shiny pebble. Intrigued by its glimmer, Sammy picked it up with her tiny beak and took it to her favorite perch. As she chirped and twiddled with the pebble, a voice suddenly echoed from within it. "Hello, Sammy. I am a magic pebble, and I can grant you 3 wishes." Sammy's heart fluttered with excitement. Without hesitation, she wished for a big, golden nest filled with seeds and grains. In a blink, her simple twiggy nest transformed into a grand abode fit for a queen, overflowing with the most delectable seeds. But as days went by, she realized she didn't need so much. The birds of the forest grew envious, and Sammy found herself blustering about her nest, bored and lonely. Feeling a tad unsatisfied, Sammy made her second wish. "I wish I could sing the sweetest song that would make the whole forest adore me." The pebble shimmered, and when she next sang, her melody was like honey to the ears. Birds and creatures gathered round to admire, but soon after, Sammy's voice would not stop singing even when she wanted quiet. She could not rest as the ceaseless song kept her awake all night. "Enough!" Sammy peeped desperately, flapping her wings in dismay. Determined to make her last wish, Sammy sighed, "I wish I could just be happy like before." The pebble glowed softly and whispered, "True happiness is found inside your heart, not granted by wishes." The grand nest vanished and Sammy's ordinary one returned. Her voice was back to its merry chirp. From that day on, Sammy realized she had everything she needed all along, a cozy nest and friends who genuinely cared. She learned to enjoy singing for the joy it brought to herself and others without needing magic. And so, Sammy spent her days flitting happily through the forest. The moral of her story was clear: be grateful for what you have and value the rewards of effort.